Hello. So let me see if I could get my iPad to work this time. So in this lecture, I'll talk about compounding periods. So far, we have assumed that compounding and discounting occur yearly. But sometimes compounding may occur more frequently than just once a year. So for example, imagine that a bank pays 10% interest IR compounded compounding semi-annually. This means that a so compound a 10% interest compounding semi-annually. This means that a $1,000 deposit into the bank would be worth 1,000 times 1.05 so it's 1 plus 1.05 1 plus 5% equal to 1,050 after 6 months. And for another 6 months, it's 1,500 times 1.05 equals 1,102.50 at the end of the year. Okay, so at the end of the year, so at end of the year, your wealth can be written as 1,000 times 1 plus the 10% 2 times, since it's semi-annual, okay, to the 2 equal to 2 times, okay. So it's equal to 1,000 times 1.5 to the 2 equal to 1.0250. Okay. Of course, so of course, a $1,000 deposit, okay, would be worth a year from now, 1 year later, would be worth 1,000. I'm sorry. Would be worth 1,000 times 1 plus 0.10, which is equal to 11 hundredths. So this is with a yearly compounding, while this, it's compounded semi-annual. Okay. Let me try to make it prettier. Okay. So if the bank was giving a compound semi-annual interest, you actually get $2.50 more instead of yearly compounded, the way we have been doing this whole semester. Okay. So note that the future value in the end of year one is greater with semi-annual compounding than with yearly compounding. With yearly compounding, the original $1,000 remains the investment base for the full year. The original 1,000 is the investment base only for the first 6 months, right? So the investment base only applies for the first 6 months at 1.05% for half of the interest for the first 6 months. Okay. But now the base changes. So now the new base for the next 6 months is 1050 times 1.05. At the end of the year, you get 11 to spot 50. Okay. Whereas for yearly compounding, the base is 1,000 and it's being compounded by a factor of 1.1, which is equal to 1100. Okay. Everyone get that? Okay. Hence, ones get interest on interest with semi-annual. So with semi-annual, compounding, you're actually getting what they call interest on interest. Okay. Of 1.10%, 1.10 over 2, which is you get interest on interest of 0.05. Okay. 5%. 5%. Okay. Everyone get that?